A relic from the Soviet space program is poised to make an unexpected return to Earth. Cosmos 482, a spacecraft launched in 1972 as part of a mission to Venus, is expected to re-enter Earth's atmosphere sometime between May 7th and May 13th. The botched mission left the spacecraft stranded in low Earth orbit for more than 50 years, circling the planet since its failed journey. Originally designed to study the surface and atmosphere of Venus, Cosmos 482 never made it beyond Earth's orbit due to an engine malfunction that prevented it from reaching the necessary escape velocity. Its twin probe, Venera 8, launched just 4 days earlier and successfully landed on Venus, conducting scientific measurements before its system shut down. Cosmos 482, however, separated into 4 pieces, with 2 quickly decaying and the remaining components continuing to orbit at higher altitudes. NASA and space monitoring organizations believe the spacecraft may begin its final descent around May 10th, with the most precise estimate from Aerospace placing the reentry at 12:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on May 9th. Despite tracking efforts, the exact location of its return remains uncertain. Experts say the landing zone could include parts of Europe, Asia, the Americas, Africa, and Australia, essentially any region between roughly 52 degrees north and south latitude. Some components of Cosmos 482 may survive reentry, particularly the lander portion, which was engineered to endure the extreme conditions of Venus' atmosphere. This could mean debris could reach Earth's surface intact, though officials emphasize the risk to humans is minimal. Space traffic analyst Marco Langbroek noted that the strong heat shielding on the Venus lander may allow it to remain largely unaffected during reentry. Cosmos 482 belongs to a class of Soviet missions designated Cosmos, or Cosmos, a label applied to any spacecraft that ended up in Earth orbit regardless of its intended target. The Soviet Union's strategy for interplanetary missions often involved launching probes into temporary parking orbits before firing engines to send them on interplanetary trajectories. In the case of Cosmos 482, the failure of this critical engine burn left it stranded. With its return now imminent, Cosmos 482 becomes a fascinating footnote in space history, an artifact of Cold War-era exploration drifting home after decades aloft. Its reentry serves as a reminder of early space ambitions and the enduring legacy of humanity's efforts to reach beyond Earth.